Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you have a busy life like me, then you need things that simplify it. And that includes this awesome pet feeder. This is an automatic feeder. It's from DUDUPET, and it could not have been any simpler to set up. So the feeder has enough to put 21 cups of food. So if you were gone for a little bit, you have no worries when it comes to feeding your cat. And it could also equally be used for a small dog. It has a timer, and you can see the front screen has everything there so that you can set it up. It is a plug-in, or you can operate it by adding in batteries, so that way you're covered even if your power goes out. I really like it a lot because it's super quiet. So we've had some in the past and they were really loud when they dropped the food. This one is super quiet. We have a relatively skittish cat and she got used to it really fast. And it's so nice to be able to fill this up and not have to worry about adding the extra food every day. At the top, it has a little packet so that the food will stay nice and fresh. And you can dispense this however you would like. So you can have multiple settings so that it will feed them during the day multiple times, or you can just do it once or twice. Not only does this unit operate super quiet, but you can see it's not a super big size, even though it holds so much food. So it's easy to clean as well. It's easy to take the cover off. Honestly, I love that this machine is super simple, and it really makes my life so much easier not having to worry about their dry food. You'll get the same exact great feeling out of it, and your pets will too if you go with this feeder. And that's my point of view.